Eric Breaker is a next-gen Piston Cup racer racing for Team SynerG with the number 5. In the 2016 season, he replaced former SynerG racer Lane Locke. He debuted at the Heartland Motor Speedway, I should say, finishing in 16th place, which I guess isn't too bad for your first race. Do you agree with me? Tell me in the comments below. So, here's the Daniel Swerves model. That's what you can call it. There are a couple other models. Well, no, one more other main next-gen model. That being the Tim Tredless model, but as I just said, he's a Danny Swerves model. He's green, white, and blue, which go quite well together. They complement each other nicely, which is cool. Always good to hear. Always good, always good, always good. And I suppose he stands out from the rest, because, well, other than, Vitaline, name me one other, green, Piston Cup racer. Yeah, I don't think you can. I don't think you can. Still, let's have a closer look at him. So, he has got a nice, determined expression, as with pretty much all the other next gens. Yeah, he is just an awesome guy. And wait, how's it got? Hey, oh, what colour are his eyes? They look like hazel-y colour. Though would have more brown now. I don't know. Is it blue, green? I don't know. Carrying on. Yellow bumper. On the side, he has some hidden little hexagons in his green livery. The number 5, which kind of looks like a lightning bolt. Ka-chow. Yeah, see, I bet you saw what I did there. Still, he's got green light year rims, yellow trim outline, whatever you want to call it. Here you go, yellow rookie stripes. Oh, yeah, horizontal. And then a thin blue vertical line with a thicker yellow one. There you go, it's even more prominent on the roof. Even more prominent. That is always good to hear from he's just overall a nice next gen. Even better than Lane Locke. Or no, about the same, I'd say. I just like SynerG as a whole, you know?